Welcome to DWBIADDA channel. Please subscribe for latest training videos.
Hello everyone. Welcome back to another PostgreSQL video tutorial. In this session, we will concentrate on two important copy table options. In first scenario, we will copy a table from one database to another database. And in the second case, we will create a new table based on an existing table. Let's start with the first scenario. In this section, we are going to copy a table from one database to another database. Assume that we have a table group member in our DVD rental database and we want to copy that to presentation database. We will use pgdump method, which includes the following steps. We initiate the command prompt and navigate to PostgreSQL bin folder using this cd command. In our case, the PostgreSQL bin folder is available in this location. After that, we execute this statement. It will start with a pgdump, then user of the existing database, then existing table name with database name, then the pipe command, and finally user name with database name where we want to copy the table. Now we explain this practically. First we initiate the PSQL shell. Enter database same, enter port, enter username Postgres, enter. Now password. We have reached into Postgres database of Postgres user. Now we are connecting to DVD rental database. Let's explore all the tables of this database. This group member table is our source table and we want to copy that to our destination database, which is the presentation database. Let's explore the destination database. We are now connected to the presentation database. Let's explore all the tables of this database using this dt command. So it contains total 10 tables and our group member table is not available in this database. Our goal is to copy that group member table from DVD rental database to this presentation database. Now we will move to command prompt. In the second step, we will navigate to the PostgreSQL bin folder. So we have to write cd and our bin folder location is in this place. Now in the final step, we will execute the pgdump method. This group member is our source table and DVD rental is our source database. And user of this database is Postgres. The destination database is the presentation database and its user is the same Postgres. Now we have to provide the password of Postgres now for the destination. So we have successfully copied the group member table to the presentation database. To check this, we will return to PSQL shell. Let's explore the presentation database using the same command. Now we have 11 tables including this group member table. Let's visualize this table. Select Start from Group Member. So this group member table also contains the exact data available in the original table. So we have successfully copied a table from one source database to another destination database. Now let's move to the second part. In this section, we are going to create a table based on an existing table. To copy a table completely, including both table structure and data, we use this statement. We have to use new table name in the place of new table and the existing table name in the place of existing table. To copy a table structure without the data, we add this with no data clause in our statement. It will give us some flexibility to insert new data set to the table. Finally, to copy a table with partial data from an existing table, we may use condition in the where clause. We can also join multiple tables and copy a subset of the data to the new table. Now we are going to pgadmin and continue there. We are starting with the first case where we will create a new table from the existing table with the structure and data. This statement will create new film table from the existing film table. Let's display the data of new film table. It contains the same data available in the original film table. Now we will create a new table taking only the structure of the film table. To do so, we have to add this with no data clause in the previous statement. Let's execute this. Let's display this table. So a new table has created with no data. It has only the structure of the previous film table. Finally, we are going to create a new table copying partial data from another table. Let's focus on these. We are only selecting 5 columns from this join query. It also contains the where condition, which refers the action film. So this action film table will be created only taking this a specific set of data. Let's display the data. So we have successfully created a table with 64 rows. So which is basically the subset of the original table data. With this, we are finishing our demonstration in pgadmin. That's all for today.